Welcome, dear students. I am Nilesh Kulkarni, PGT English from EMRS Ajmer Samdani, Taluka Satana, District Nashik. And this is Maha EMRS Learning Project, under which we are going to learn a lesson from the textbook First Flight, that is prescribed for 10th standard. And the name of the lesson is A Letter to God. So, dear student, kindly watch this video very attentively so that you can understand the central theme of this lesson. Before to start this lesson, we shall think about the writer. Do you know who is the writer of this lesson? Of course, G.L. Fuentes. Gregorio Lopez y Fuentes is the complete name of this writer. You can see the image on the screen. He was one of the most famous popular Mexican writers. Before you read, they say faith can move mountains. But what should we put our faith in? This is the question this story delicately poses. Now, it is very rightly said, faith has the capacity to move the mountains. But what should we put our faith in? If we put our faith in positive things, positive result will come out. And if we put our faith in negative things, negative result will come out. That is why we should put our faith in something positive. Now, Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos. Who is the main character in this lesson? Lencho is the main character in this lesson, and he is a farmer. And his whole crops are ruined due to hailstorm. And he wrote letter to God asking for 100 pesos. Have you ever heard that somebody has written a letter to God? Have you ever tried to write a letter to God, dear students? But Lencho has strong faith in God. That's why he wrote letter to God. But what happens to his letter? Does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? These questions are arised. Think what your answers to these questions would be and guess how the story continues before you begin to read it. Now we shall go through the lesson. I will read out the paragraph line by line. We'll explain the difficult or unknown words from the glossary and also explain the meaning of the paragraph. Pay your attention very carefully. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Now you can see the image on the screen. As the house in the image is located or situated on the top of the hill, in the same way Lencho's house was located on the top of the hill. And it is crest. Crest means top of a hill. And from this height one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Now Lencho was expecting good harvest. Whenever he was watching from the top of the hill from his house towards his field, he was expecting good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was downpour or at least shower. Downpour means what? Heavy rain. What was needed for the good harvest then, students? Only heavy rain or at least shower was needed to have good harvest in his field. So he was expecting for the rain. He was waiting for the rain. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. What he has done from the morning? He has done nothing except watching towards the sky. He was expecting good harvest, and if he wanted to have good harvest, he was expecting for the rain. And that's why from the beginning of the day towards the end, he was watching towards the sky. Now we are really going to get some water woman. The woman who was preparing supper replied, Yes, God willing. Now Lencho, who was talking with a woman, that woman may be his wife, and he was talking to his wife and told her that we will get some water. It means he predicted that rain will come and we will get some water to have good or harvest. The woman who was preparing supper replied, Yes, God willing. Supper means breakfast. And she also replied positively, Yes, of course, God is willing to give us good rain, good harvest. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them, Come for dinner. Now, Lencho's older boys were working in the field. They were toiling hard in the field so that they will have good harvest. At the same time, smaller ones were playing near the field, and Lencho was expecting for rain. You can see the image that farmer is watching towards the sky and expecting rain. Now, Lencho's woman called all the boys, Come for dinner, and they gathered. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Predict means to say something will happen in future, to forecast. While they were having their meals, Lencho has predicted that rain will fall, it will be raining, and his prediction came true. His prediction becomes true. The rain is started. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. As you can see in the image, huge clouds gathered in the sky and started to approach on the fields of the Lencho. Lencho was expecting rain and he was happy, satisfied now. Approach means to come near or nearer. There was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are the new coins. Now, air has become sweet and fresh. Why? Because it was raining. And when there is rainy season, we know that, dear students, air becomes fresh and sweet. And that the man means here Lencho. Lencho went out of the house for no any other reason. He went out of the house to have pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. He wanted to have that rain on his body, and that's why he went out of the house. And when he returned, he exclaimed. He was very happy, he was very satisfied with that. And the rain was falling continuously. And what he said, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. Can you imagine why did he say like that? He was comparing big raindrops with the new coins. Why did he say so? Because he was expecting good harvest, and good harvest will come because of the good rain. And now, according to his wish, as per his wish, God has given him good rains. And when good rain will be given to him, good rain will be given, he will have good harvest, good production of harvest in his field, and it will give him lot of money. And that's why he said, these aren't raindrops, these are new coins. Big drops are 10 cent pieces and the little ones are fives. He was comparing the raindrops, bigger and smaller, also with the money or new coins or coins. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flower draped in a curtain of rain. Draped means covered with cloth. Now he was very satisfied. The whole field, the whole crops were covered with rain, and the rain was continuously falling. He was satisfied, very happy to have rain, as good harvest will come. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Then what happens later? Suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Strong wind strong wind started to blow along with the rain. Very large hailstones began to fall. Gradually that heavy rain converted into the hailstorm. and it was not good sign for him. Now Lencho was getting upset. This truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hell rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. What happens then? You can see the image that hailstorm was continuously going on and hailstones were falling from the sky instead of raindrops. And these hailstones are compared with the silver coins. It were looking like silver coins. This truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. Frozen pearls means here hailstones only. You can see the image that boys are collecting hailstones. In your childhood, you might have collected hailstones, isn't it? In the same way, Lencho's younger children were collecting frozen pearls, means hailstone. That's why they were exposing themselves to the rain. They came out of the house into the rain and collecting these frozen pearls. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. Now Lencho was becoming unhappy and he was getting upset. I hope it passes quickly. He was expecting that hailstorm should pass or should go away. It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. But continuously hailstorm was going on. It did not pass quickly. It did not go away. And the hailstorm on everywhere, on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley, hailstorm was continuously going on, and the field was white as if covered with salt. Now his field was looking like as if it was covered with salt. Here, salt is the image given to the hailstorm or hailstones. Hailstones were looking like salt. Salt is spreaded all across the field. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. Now you can see the image that Lencho was getting upset. He was becoming unhappy due to the hailstorm. What he was expecting and what happens to his field, his corn, his crops was totally destroyed, completely ruined. The flowers were gone from the plants. All the flowers were fallen from the plants, and Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. He was filled with sadness or sorrow or unhappiness. When the storm had passed, now when his crops are completely ruined, at that time hailstorm had passed away. Hailstorm had hailstorm had gone away. And then he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, he was telling to his son what he was telling. A plague of locust would have left more than this. Locust means insect which fly in big swarms, groups and destroy crops. And he told his sons that if a plague of locust would have come, it would have left something else for us. But hailstorm did not leave anything else for us. Now, this year we will have no corn. That night was very sorrowful one. This year they will not have any corn. And that night was sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one can help us. We will go hungry this year. And he was getting very upset. He thought that his whole family, his children, his wife, all of them would go hungry this year because they will not have any corn, and his crops has been completely ruined due to the hail storm. Assignment. Dear students, try to solve these questions with the help of understanding of this lesson. What did Lencho hope for? Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? How did the rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? What were Lencho's feelings when the rain hail stopped? Try to solve these questions with the help of your understanding. Thank you. This is the first part of this lesson. Second part will continue in the next video. Thank you.